3, we have two questions and we are asked to write 17 over 25 as a percent and express 25 as a percentage. I have explained to you what percentage means. It means a fraction that has 100 as its denominator. Now, in a situation whereby such a fraction does not have 100 as its denominator, what do you need to do? At the beginning of this class, I explained to you what we meant by equivalent fractions. So all we need to do is to find the equivalent fraction of these fractions that the denominator is equal to 100, or you express this fraction in terms of 100 as its denominator, and that gives you its percentage. So for this, 17 over 25, for us to express it as a percentage, all we need to do is to find the equivalent fraction where the denominator is said to be 100. And how do I get that? I'll ask myself, what will I multiply by 25 to give me 100? Which is 4. So if I multiply 25 by 4, it gives me 100. I'll also multiply the numerator by 4. So that 17 times 4 is said to be 4 times 7 is 28. You write down 8 and carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is said to be 68 over 100. And this is equal to 68%. So 17 over 25 is said to be 68%. What about 25 over 80? This is said to be 25 divided by 80. So 25 divided by 80 is equal to dash over 100. What do? Divide 100 by 80 and multiply that answer by 25. Now, in this exercise, you will discover that the factor that has been used to multiply both the numerator and denominator is not a whole number. How do I know that? When you divide 100 by 80, it gives you 10 divided by 8. So 10 divided by 8 is said to be that fraction or that factor that has been multiplied by 80 to give you 100. So I will also multiply 25 by 5 over 8. So when you multiply 25 by 5 over 8, what do you end up getting? 2 can divide 8 4 times, and 2 into 10 is 5. So this is equal to 25 times 5 gives you 125 divided by 4. So when you divide 125 by 4, this is 4 into itself is 1. 4 into 12 is 3. 4 into 5 is 1. Remainder 1. Add 0 to that 1 and divide by 4. 4 into 10 gives you 2 times, remainder 2. Add 0 to it and divide by 4 is 5. So this is said to be 31.25. So that 25 out of 25 over 80 is said to be equivalent to 31.25 divided by 100. So this is equal to 31.25%. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes.